Oil prices fell after yesterday's gains. At one point, Brent crude hit the level of $60 per barrel. In the early trade on Friday, oil quotes dropped by more than 1%. Likewise, the American benchmark is extending losses. Market sentiment lowered as coronavirus epidemic is spreading further beyond China. These negative external factors weighed down on the ruble as well. Safe haven assets continue to benefit from the current situation. Risk appetite is still low despite the fact that China's central bank has recently cut the key lending rate to stimulate the economy hit by the virus outbreak. New cases of coronavirus have been confirmed in South Korea. The authorities reported 52 new cases of the illness, and now the total number of infected people in the country exceeds 150. In addition, Japan reported first death among the passengers on the cruise ship. In the Asian trade, gold prices soared to a 7-year high. The Japanese yen rebounded as well after losing ground yesterday. Brent crude is extending weakness on Friday, with the quotes moving steadily lower in the early session. Brent is currently trading at $58.61 per barrel. WTI crude settled down at $53.49. The massive oil sell-off was also caused by the statement of Russian Energy Minister Alexander Novak. He said on Thursday that global oil producers see no need in an emergency meeting, which had been scheduled for February. On Thursday, emerging market currencies displayed the steepest intraday decline since August. The ruble was also influenced by this trend and lost almost 1% of its value against major currencies. Today, the Russian currency continues to downward move, having lost 0.25% against the US dollar early in the day. This pushed the dollar-ruble pair higher to the level of 64. The ruble's decline was triggered by the new sanctions imposed by the US on Russian oil company this week. As the US presidential election is approaching, the conflict around sanctions may escalate, thus putting even more pressure on the ruble. The overall strengthening of the American currency remains a major trend in global financial markets. The dollar is in high demand, especially amid positive dynamics in the US stock market. The US dollar is gaining ground mainly thanks to its safe haven appeal. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.